I'm gonna paste it. So we have the mama here, the text, the design that we made. We have it right in here. It has two colors, okay? It has two colors. Let's remove the background, like all the shadow. Yeah, it's removed. You see that? It has two colors, okay? These two colors, they have relationship because this is in here and this is in here. So anytime we change one color to other, I think the other will change. Okay. Let's click on this one and let's change it to pink. You see, the other will change to pink as well. And I beg you, please don't go try to change this because it will change into something else. You see that it will change to something else. So let me go back. One color is good to change. Like you will always have the main color plus the lighter version of it. Look, if I put blue, and I have the lighter version of the blue right there. If I put blue again here, it will be something else. So don't, you change one or you change the other. Okay, if I, okay, the blue, I want to change the blue. If I go to red, it's not working here. That means we have to put the purple back to each other and go here and take the blue. And then it will go over to it. So you play with it. You play with it. You go and check it out. It will work for you all the time. So that's why we do our main things in purple so that we can change it to other colors and make a bundle out of it. And even if you sell the bundle $3 on Etsy or on your website, you get a $3 every time. Why? Because that's one image you have multiplied into different colors. You haven't created another image. The same image you have multiplied into different colors. That's enticing to customers and they will come for it. They will buy it. Okay? For different shirts. They don't have to change colors. Yeah. That's something that I do a lot. You see this here? You put it on here. Always check if your background is clean by clicking on it and then place a color in it and you see that it's clean and then you delete it and this is what you're going to upload. Just name it mama. Let's have another one. Duplicate it. Let's look for another color. Let's say pink. We want the mama in pink and we duplicate it again. Okay, we have the mama here. We want her in purple. Oh no, this is the background. Click, select the word. We have it in purple just like it came. You duplicate them, colors that people want. Okay. Oh, I see. No, not you here. Okay, it won't give you gradient. Let's see, dark blue. We have her also in dark blue. Make sure you select the mama. Let's see, black. Okay, she's also in black. She looks good. Printed DTF will be very good on a gray shirt. Let me show you on a gray shirt. You see that? It will look good on a gray shirt. It will look good on a white shirt. On a gray shirt. This will look good on that. Okay. Let's go. Green. I love the green. Mhm. Let's go for one more color. Did we have red? What you also can do, you can scroll up here and you go to this plus sign and then you can make them darker. You see that? Try to make them darker. Or if you want it like darker. Okay, there you have it. How many colors you can have 10 colors too. You can go back in the color. You can go in here and make your own colors. Like this yellow, like super yellow, how you want it to be. You see that? However you want it to be, you can create that color. Okay. You can make it however you want it to be. It's up to you. here pink that you haven't seen. You can go and create it. I don't know if you have this pink already, but you can go and make your own color, okay? Until you have the amount that you want. You see that? All the amount that you want. And then you can make a mock-up with one of your favorite colors, the one that is, the one you think is more enticing to customers. You can use that one. Let's say we want to use the pink. Let's not do that yet. Let's download it first. Go to share, go to download. We're gonna download them in PNG, and always select transparent background. You should have Canva Pro to be able to use the transparent background. So we have 8, I think, yeah, 8. I'm going to download them. All the 8, they will come into a zip file, and the zip file is called Mama. The size is 10 by 10. We have them on here. Okay, now we have the zip file. And the next thing that zip file is on Etsy. The next thing we're going to do, um, we're going to create a mock-up. So I'm going to choose this color. I think it's very pretty for moms. I'm going to choose it. I'm going to duplicate it and I'm going to work with it. Let's see, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. Okay, I'm going to go in elements. I'm going to put pink shirt. Let's see what pink shirt we can get. Let's go to the photos. Women with pink shirts or white shirt, whatever color you see fit. Let me see. I saw a burgundy here. Let me see sweater. Let me put sweater in. Sweater. 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 Sweaters. Oh. They're different sweaters. Let's take the blue one to see, like the contrast. We're going to make them big. Make them bigger. Big. We're going to send it to the back. And then we have the mama here, text. And then we're going to put it on it. I think it looks nice. We can also go for another one. Let's go. We're going to duplicate it. We're going to remove this one. Let's see. There's pink. There's pink, 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 pink. Let's go here. Let's click on here. And let's see if they have. Okay. They don't have what we want. We can also go into the. Let me take this off. We can also go into the mockups. Mockups. Okay, let's see this lady. We're gonna click on it and then enlarge her. Really big. Okay, and we're going to send her to the back. Position, we send her to the back. Okay, and then we're going to drag this here. I think it will be small. Yeah, here. When you select on it, we'll show it to you here. Let's see if we can enlarge it a little bit. Yep, let's bring it a little bit up. Let's see if we can bring it up. And then we're going to apply the changes. And after you do that, let's see. Okay. Let's see if we can make the image smaller. That will take some. Actually bigger. You can have this, you can make, and then you can go on and download these two. Download these two as PNGs, and that's what you're going to upload on Etsy or on Payhip or where you're selling. But the idea is to show customers what the idea is to show customers how it will look on their outfit. Is to show the fellow crafter that will make DTF how it will look on shirts when they go sell it. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. I'm so full of these things. Like that's all I'm thinking about: creating and selling, creating and selling. And if you're interested in the GPT that I just used in the video to create these designs, let me know in the comment section. Okay, let me know in the comment section, and we will take it from there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.